Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a stamp set called Colorful Seasons. I'm going to be using a masking technique, and I'll introduce you to the masking paper that I'm using. It's from Inkadinkadoo, and it's called Stamping Mask Paper. I'm sure you can find it online, or you can use Post-it notes, or you can use masking like tape, whatever you have available. I purchased this stamping mask paper from a business that was going out of business, sadly. I wanted to show you the sponges that I use. So I get them from Stampin' Up! And there's 3 to a bag like this, and I cut my little sponge into quarters. I put a little piece of corresponding cardstock to whatever ink I want to use, and I staple it to the sponge so as to make a little handle. I keep them in this little bin, and I got this at the dollar store. And it houses all of this one particular family, which is the bright sponges. And I have one for every family, color family of Stampin' Up! Colors. So I am using Mango Melody and Flirty Flamingo because when these two colors mix, it creates a pretty orange color that I absolutely adore. You can see the pattern here. I'm going in, and I've sped this sponging part up very, very quickly so that you can see the whole process, but you're not going to get bored. Just wanted to say that my sponges are seasoned, so the ink goes on very, very easily for me. But that's the reason why I keep them in this little tin or the little container, because I want to keep my sponges seasoned. That is the secret. And also very light hand and go over it a million times. So I'm going to remove my masking paper. You could save it or not. Depends on how much ink's on there. But look at that beautiful crisp line. Now, I should have probably left my masking paper on, but I forgot. So I have to sort of mask off just quickly because I'm going to be flicking on some water from my water spritzer here. And this is just a Stampin' Spritzer that you can find in our catalog. So once that water went on the ink, it created more like a bleach spot, and it was sort of an ethereal background for my card. I have my Stamparatus here because it made the inking of this card very, very simple. I pre-planned where I was going to put everything, and then I just used the 2 drawers, and Bob's your uncle. There you go. Now, the nice thing about the Stamparatus is here I move my paper. I'm putting it back in. I'm going to re-ink my stamp, and then I'm going to stamp one more time to get a beautiful, crisp image. So I've put dry adhesive on the back of that card, and I'm sticking it to some Mango Melody card. That's going to be my matte, and then I'm going to put both of them on my Whisper White Thick card base. As usual, I'm going to use my handy dandy trusty bone folder to fold that card, but it needs some bling. I'm using my Mango Melody and Flirty Flamingo blends markers to color the pearls so that it matches the color combination on my card, because we have to be matchy-matchy, don't you know? Anyway, I hope you guys are doing okay. My thoughts are going out to you and my customers and all of my stamping friends. Hopefully you're doing well. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.